Yes. How are you, my people? How are you doing? Today we are going to learn something new. We are going to learn something new. That is how to use your Boardview or Boardviewer to study your motherboard. Right? Yes. This is a tool which technician uses when they are repairing the motherboards, especially the motherboards which they've never repaired before. Right? Yes. So first of all, you need to understand what is a Boardviewer or what is the Boardview. This is a software which are used to identify the location of components in your laptop, right? Yes, you have several of them. You have what's called Open Board View. You have the Board Viewer. So let's go straight to the point. The first thing you need to do, if you don't have the software in your laptop, so you need to download it from your Google computer. Just make sure you are connected to your Wi-Fi or to network connection, right? Yes. So to me, I already have the Boardview software, but anyway, I'm going to show you how to download it. You just go to your Google account, go to your Google, then here you type the Boardview, type the Boardview. Even before you finish typing it, you will get a pop-up for the Boardview software. So you just click it, then you go directly. So for example, this one, because I tried to visit it before, that's why you see I'm getting the message you visit often. Okay, it's okay. It's good to visit often. Yeah, this is the website, Boardviewer. So this is the website for the software. You have another one here, Open Boardview. This is another software, different one, different from this one. We have another website here which offers still the download of that software. But to me, let me, yeah, and in fact, there is another one here, backups. But I'll just take this one, which I normally visit. So in fact, I recommend this one is good. Even this one, they are good. All of them are good, so long as you know how to use it, right? Yes. So once you click that website, it will take you directly to where you can get a file. So you can download this software here, but Viewer is free to download and use. So this is not the paid software. So once you download it, you will run as an administrator. Then you'll be able to use that board viewer, right? Yes. Anyway, that was not the case study for today. I'm going to show you how to use that board viewer to study your motherboard. So what I'll do next is to make sure I open the board viewer. So I clicked it, then it is opened, right? Yes. So this is the page for the software. This step, let me expand it for us to see it visibly. Yes, I have several files I uploaded before. So this is the software itself. You see there's some options here. The control panel for that. You can open the file. You can view. This is the pins, the files, the labels, auxiliary elements. The board view, flip the board horizontally, flip the board vertically. You have also the options. You can change the language you like to use. Yes, if you are good in Chinese, you can also take that, or Russian, whichever language you are good in. So to me, I can take English because I understand English. It doesn't mean I speak English a lot. Anyway, uh, so this is the software itself. So your next step is to make sure you have the Boardview file you like to study. So since I don't know, I assume you all don't know which file you are studying. So you still go back to your Google. Google is your friend. Then you search the board you like to study, right? Yes, you search the board you like to study. For example, I can't, let me try what? Uh, can I try Setbook 17 or Setbook laptop, whichever? In fact, I don't know what I'm typing anyway. Let me just take what? Uh, which motherboard I like to study? I have no idea. I have no idea. Anyway, you can suggest in your comment section so that we can try to see that board, right? Yes. Let me take which one? Can I take E30 G5? I don't know whether that board is. Uh, I'm looking forward Boardview, right? E30 G5 Boardview. Okay, I see the Boardview pop-up messages. Okay, let's try to see. No results. So what am I seeing? Yes, I can see some people searching for it at the backups. Okay, anyway, we can go back there. So let's see whoever posted the Boardview. Yeah, the backups. I am not seeing anyone asking for it. So meaning I might not be a lucky guy today. Anyway, I can go back and look for another motherboard I like to use. Which one? Guys, I'm stuck. Do I have 745 G5 Boardview? I don't know what the hell is that, or if it exists. Here I have the backups. I don't like the backup. The backups. There's so many discussions there. So I have a light book 745 G4. We can use that one. Travolta. Anyway, can go down there. We are looking for the board view. Here I have the BIOS file. What is this? Yes, download BIOS bin file. I don't care about the pin file. Anyway, I'm not seeing any. So let me just look for any. We are looking for the board view. Let's just take what this website. You can see this website. I can get the BIOS. I can get the schematics. I can get the board view, and that's what I'm looking for. We have HP's board view. I can click there because I don't know. It's like I'm obsessed with the HP's. Right. So here I have. This is what the hell is that? Where did I click Lenovo's? Why am I seeing the Lenovo? And I click for HP. This is HP Omen 17 schematic and board view. So yes, we can choose whichever. So this one HBook ZBook 17 G6. I clicked it. I open I can get the so this is BIOS file. This is schematic, and then this is the board view. You can use this one. Let's use this one, guys. This is ZBook 17 G6. So I download the file. Let me download it. It will take some time. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with my internet. The thing is slow a bit. Right, just give me some few seconds, guys. Yes, it's already downloaded. So once I download it, I can get the location. Yes, it is in the downloads. Home PC downloads. I can close that windows. I don't need my friend anymore, so I can close the Google. So back to the board viewer. So my next step is to open the file. I can open the file. In fact, I had already downloaded it before, but anyway, let's use what we just downloaded. File, open. We will go back to where we saved that file. So here is the file. This is the board viewer file. I double click, or I just click once and then open it. Then boom, we've opened the board view file for ZBook 17 G6 Quanta, right? DAXW3EMBADO, obvious drive D. So let me expand this one. I need the full screen. Yes, here is my full screen. So you can see this is the motherboard. You can zoom in, you can zoom out the way you want. You can adjust whichever way you like to adjust it. And then here is the what do we call it? Is it control panel or what? I don't know, but you just know what you are doing, right? Yes, you can rotate the board 90 degrees anti-clockwise that way. You can go anti-clockwise whichever way you like. You can zoom out the file. You can zoom to fit. That is it. You can zoom in, right? Yes, don't worry, you can undo whatever you've just did. So to me, let me just fit it, then I rotate it 90 degrees. Still, you can see the top of the motherboard, you can see the bottom of it, right? Yes, you can see the way you want to see it. So this motherboard is in this shape, it's going this way, then it has a cap here for the fan, then this is the CPU, then it goes this way, another place for the fan, then it goes this way. I believe you can understand the board. Yes, in fact you can Google and download the motherboard, you can compare with this one. So how do you use this? How to use the Boardview to study this motherboard? We said, sorry for that, we said the Boardview software shows us the location of some components. For example, I don't know what the hell is this component. Let's start with this one. So that is U55001. You see, parts. Once you click any IC or any component, it will pop up here the name of that component you just clicked. In fact, here I can see there's a very small component here. I have no idea what the hell is that. When I clicked it, you see, that's the reference number for that component. This is U14009. And here you have the nets for it. So this is the explanation of what is happening inside that IC. So let's use this one for example. So this one, I have no idea what the hell is that, but it is U74004. So this is the IC. Let me zoom in for us to see clearly. You see the IC. So this is the IC. I just zoomed in. You see, when I zoomed out, you can see the location of it. It is somewhere at this neck of this board. You see, I have a neck here. You will excuse me when I call this one neck because yes, it's a neck. Then this IC, it has some pins. So this numbering here. So you have pin 1, pin 2, 3 until you get to 48. So this is the description. So pin number 1, this is its description. There's +3 voltage going to the display. Then pin number 2 is VDD33 even 1. So each pin here has its own description called the nets. When I clicked it, that net pop up here, right? Yes, you have 3.3. You see, when I click this one, pin number 12. So pin number 12, the red one. So what does that mean? When you click that pin number 12, you see, we are being showed this pin number 12 connects pin number, which pin is this? Pin number 6. It connects 32. It connects 25. And all of them are 3.3, 1.5 dp. It's going to the display. Alright, and which component is this? This component is R74039. So the location of this, so this component, you can see when I zoom in, you can see where it is. When I zoom, when I zoom out, you can see the location. This one. Let me zoom in, you can see it right here. Right? So this is the resistor. So meaning that pin number 12, pin number 6, and pin number what? All the pins. So this pin number 12, 6, 32, and 25 are all connected to that resistor. Right? Let's use this one for example. So that one is U34008. When I click that pin, for example, pin number 6 there, you can see that pin number 6, it is connected to that R3405, so connected to that, right? So each component here, we are able to see the connection for each component. For example, let's check this one. So this is the CPU. There's so many dots. You can see those bowlings. So when you really zoom in inside, you can see some indication for each solder ball. inside the CPU. So each symbol has the meaning. For example, when I click this one, so this one connects to something. I don't know what the hell is this. When I click which one again, let me just pick one randomly. 87. 87 connects nothing. What about this one? Nothing still. What about the what? This one? Nothing. Anyway, let me to cut the story short. Let me use this resistor 7401. This is R7401. This is resistor. When I click it, I'm being shown it is connected to this ball form, B form. Yeah. Inside the resistor, you have 2 points. You have this side and this side. So it means this side connects only to this, but the other side of this one, the other side of this resistor connects everything. You see, it connects everything. Why? Because you've been shown here that pin number 1 which I just clicked is the ground. So whichever part which is ground, we get the marks. They show that those points are all connected. So any point which is ground are all connected, including the screw holes. Yes. So that's it, guys. That's how you use to, if you want to know which components connect to what, you use the board view. All right. Yes, you use the board view, and you can incorporate the board view with the schematics. In the next video, I'll show you how to do that. Right. But for now, I want you to know how to use this board view. Yes, I can find out which component connects to where. For example, this one. Let's use this one. So anyway, let's use this one. I have this is R22023. I want to know this point connects where. You see? So that point should be shown. It's HDMI SCLR. So probably it should connect it's something related to HDMI. I have no fucking idea. This other side, 3 voltage. Yes, you see. So this other side of that resistor connects to this point, to this point, to this point, to this point. They are all connected to that point, to that point. The yellow knowledge, know about this board. Yes, I can turn it to the bottom, the other side of the board, this way. I can zoom in. I can check this IC connects where, these components connect where, this pin connects what and what and what, right? Whichever pin I like to select, I can select and find out it's connected to what, right? Yes, you can see the capacitors. If, for example, that's why if you click here, parts, these are all components which are inside. You can see when I scroll, I have thousands of capacitors, right? What the fuck? How many thousands are these? All of these are capacitors inside this motherboard. All of them. For example, if I click this one, you see, where is it? Where the hell is that thing? Maybe it is in the other side. Hey, I'm not seeing it. But anyway, so all of these components, this is over 75,000, over 80,000. This is over 79,000 capacitors. Yes, all of them are in this motherboard. Then you go for diodes. Diodes, a lot of them. If it is in front side, back side. So you can just type whichever component you're looking for. In case you have an IC, maybe U400, I don't know. Let me just guess. Oh, it's U4000. Where the hell is that IC? When I clicked it, where the hell is that? This one. I am not. Oh, yeah, this. You see, when I zoom in, yeah, Yeah, this is that I see. So if you type any number or when you see in your motherboard and you want to know which component located to this or connected to this, you just click that, right? Yes, you just search here, then you enter. Then you find out which point is what. That point is connected to where, right? Yes. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for being patient with me, and see you in the next video. So please guys, subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much and have a very beautiful